It's our Nat's favourite day of the week today. Fakeaway Wednesday. Yes. So what are we going to do today? Well, it involves newspaper. You got it. Fish and chips. Chip shop fish and chips. So let me show you what we're going to do. Right then. So I've done my chips. I've already chopped them all up. Mary's Pipers. Upside down. They're not very big, if you can see. They're only small, so I can only do small chips. I try to do them as thick as I can. I'm going to do battered fish. Got some cod fillets. I'm going to do battered sausage. I couldn't get no big pork sausages, so I just got myself some Cumberland, which is good enough to be battered. I was going to use my own batter, but then I tried that yesterday's video and it's really nice, so I'm going to use that. And some garden peas, which I'm going to mash them up. And I've also done in my chips, see if I can find it. They're only small, as I say. Some potato. I'm going to do scallops, or fritters as you call them, wherever you live or whatever. So it's quite simple, and hopefully it's going to be delicious, and hopefully it's going to be just like a chippy. Oh, and secret ingredients. We're going to wrap it in a newspaper. Now, I mean, I don't buy newspapers, and I said this was a pervy newspaper. I'm not sure what she was on about, and then I realised she meant the sport, but it's not a sport, it's the Star. I won't buy the Sun out of principle, but that was one of the next cheapest, so I just got that, and we're going to wrap them in them. Wonder what that was on about. She says, pervert was what you're on about. But anyway, before we do anything else, I want to get me chips, I want to get me fat hot. Put me fat over there, look. Ready in my pan. I haven't got a deep fat fryer. I want to dry my chips first, because you don't want to put wet chips in hot fat. So let's do that. Right, I've dried my chips. I'm going to get me oil on now. With your oil, you want it on about 130 degrees to start with, because what you want to do, so I'll put it on low. You want to blanch these first. You don't parboil them, because you don't parboil them at a chippy, do you? You blanch them about 130 degrees till they get soft. Then you take them out, then you double fry them. So I'll let that warm up to 130 degrees. We'll get a few of them in. I've got loads of chips left, look. Obviously I'm going to have to do it in batches. Right, it's just coming up to 130 degrees in there. Should be about there now. One more. 130. Right. I'm going to get a few chips in. As I say, I've got to be a bit careful, because I haven't got a proper pan. So I'm going to do it slowly. Well, then I'll do this thing for 6 or 7 minutes now. Right, they've been about 6 or 7 minutes now. And you see how they're just starting to get soft. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. That's how you want them. Just start to, you don't want them cooked yet, you see, because I've got to go back in. Just want to give them that little blanch. So I'm going to get them all out. There we go, that's them. I'm going to leave them to the side for a minute. Now I'm going to get my pan on at the back here now. I want that at 170 degrees. And I'm going to do that and the lads first. Battered sausage and chips. I've got some flour. I put some extra salt in my flour because yesterday there wasn't quite enough salt in it. So I've done that. I'm going to get this batter mix, which I found quite nice for convenience. I'm going to get it in a bowl. And it was 280ml of cold water. Well, I'm using the sparkling. 280ml, which is half a pint. It says on the thing. Pull it in and stir away. So you get a nice batter, a bit like cream. Like so, that's all prepared now. I've just got to wait for my oil to warm up. Well, I'm going to get myself a couple of sausages out. A couple of Cumberland. 3 of them I want, don't I? I've got to have one of them and all. Right, I think this is up to temperature now, I think. Have a look. It's up to temperature by the time I've done my sausage. Right, let's get the sausage in then. First things first, we'll get that covered in. Oops, so easy. Move around there. Straight into the mixture. Get it all coated. Some excess off. Straight into the pan. Give it a second. Hopefully it won't stick. Last one. Wash my hands, get the chips in. Right, let's get some chips in. About the same, about another 6 or 7 minutes. Don't burn myself, you know what I'm like. Turn them round a bit. Sausages are done. Get them out. Maybe you can see that. Looking nice, get them out to drain. Chips will be about a minute. And while that fat's still up, I'm going to do my scallops. And I'll do mine after with the fish, I think, because I ain't going to have enough, ain't going to have enough time. Because everything will start going cold otherwise. There we go, chips are done now. Wash my hands first. Right, I've got my chip paper, my newspaper. The only problem I've got, I haven't got any, obviously the chip shop grease proof, so I'm just using parchment. Good enough. Let's get some chips out. Give them a drain. I wish I had, really wish I had a deep fat fryer though. I really do. Chips, looking nice. Battered sausage. Looking nice. Chaos, this is absolutely chaos. So I've had a deep fat fry, it'd be a lot easier. And the scallops, done. And that can have that one. Right, let's wrap that off. We just thought, I didn't do any curry sauce. Oh well, it's too late now. There's our nuts. Nat, come get your chips. Right, I've got my fish out. My chips are nearly done. The fish shouldn't take long. I'm just going to give it a dry. Got stuff falling everywhere, all over the place. It's only me likes fish, so it's only me having it. Right, into the flour first. It's quite big, this fish. This fish was £3.29 for the two. You get two in them. Chaos. It's chaos in here. It's a mess in the kitchen. Not struggling to find somewhere to sit. Got stuff everywhere. There's my fish. Straight in for about 5 or 6 minutes, I think. I hope my fat's okay. Find out in a minute. I've got a spare fish if it's not. There, nuts. Eating hers up the table. Got a mess everywhere. The smoke alarm's about to go off, I think. Looks quite nice, doesn't it, Beb?
It tastes nice.
I didn't do no curry sauce, I forgot. I haven't done my peas either. I ain't got time now. Look at the state of the place, look. Look at it. Stuff everywhere. But not to worry. It's all part of the fun. Right, chips are done. I'm getting them out first. We'll turn everything off now. I think that oil's about done now. That's a shame. On the fish, I mean. What, the fat? Yeah. It's horrible, isn't it? Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? I'm getting that out. It's gonna, I mean, it looks nice. You have a look. I can grab it without burning myself. Ah, you know what I'm like. You know what I'm like. Turn everything off before smoke alarm goes off. It's chaos. It's absolute chaos in here. I'm going to have to open the window back.
Yeah, that's okay.
Right, I'm going to get myself some newspaper. Not page 3, obviously. Because that thinks I'm a perv for buying the sport. And it's not the sport.
Oh, I thought it's the other paper.
Oh.
I don't read the agony art bit in there anyway. It's funny.
Newspaper. And a bit of parchment. I might have to revisit this, you know, with a deep fat fryer. A few chips. Them chips look lovely. Crunchy bits and that. Want a couple more chips?
Oh, yeah, please, if there's some going. Thank you.
There's the chips. I'm going to get the fish on.
No, did you want your paper from down here?
Don't know about.
Your paper's here.
Nah, don't worry about it. I've got some more. There's the fish. Doesn't that fish look nice? Look. What's them scallops like? Was they any good?
Really nice.
Was they really nice?
Yeah,
There is more there.
Really nice.
And a little scallop. Only little because of the potatoes.
Put that on there.
Bit of salt. You got salt back?
Yeah, I'll put all the salt in the out. I didn't want to know what sauces you wanted.
I don't want vinegar. Bit of salt. Oh, let me take a thumbnail of that while it's there. We've got no room. Oh, my battered sausage. My battered sausage. Look at that for a dinner. Ugh. If I can get a good thumbnail of that, that looks quite nice actually. That'll do. Right, I'm going up the table to eat mine. Stressful. That's I'm getting stressed. That was chaos. It was chaos. I'll tell you, trying to get everything done at the same time. When I do fast fry, I'll have been okay. Whew. Well, let me show you anyway. Excuse the mess, because I've got mess everywhere. Look at the state of the place. Got a little Christmas tree there. Look, that's going up for Christmas in the kitchen. Let me open it up then. I'll put a bit of extra paper on top. I didn't bother wrapping it properly, just get it folded over. Just so it's the look, isn't it? The old chippy. Get it out. Oh yes. Look at that. See if we can spread it out a bit. Might be a bit greasy though. Oh yes. Yes, no, maybe.
That was really nice.
Was it really nice?
I enjoyed that.
Would you have it again?
Definitely. Yeah.
Missing the curry sauce though?
I'm not bothered
No,
about that.
not bothered about the curry sauce.
No.
Top
Food's
deal.
lovely.
The fish looks a bit greasy. There's not a lot I can do about that. You don't like fish, do you, Bab?
No, thank you, sweetie.
Let's try the batter first. Let's try and whip some off.
Oh, it's really nice, the batter is.
There's the fish. It's cooked. That is just like a chippy, you know.
Try the sausage.
Wow.
It's even better than the chippy. You got some kitchen more there, haven't you?
Oh wow.
It's amazing.
You want some?
No, thank you.
Battered sausage.
Yum. That was amazing, that was. Thank you very much. That's so nice.
Now I put that extra salt in the flour, not the batter, the flour. And it's made a hell of a lot of difference. Because yes, it was a little bit bland
Oh,
with it.
I wasn't.
No, you weren't there.
Today.
That is gorgeous.
It's nice, isn't it? It's lovely. You've done a really good job there, Bob.
Mm.
And the chips are really nice as well. I love fresh homemade chips.
Yep. Now wait till I tell you the price. Scallop, which I'll tell you in a second. Only small, isn't they?
Yeah, but they're really nice. The batter's small actually, because it's not too much. It's nice, isn't it? You've done a really good job. I ain't just saying it, it's really
No,
nice.
that is really nice,
Really
isn't it?
nice, yeah.
And the chip.
Done a good job.
Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? I weren't expecting it to be like that, you know. Honest to God.
I know you got stressed and everything, but it's proper nice.
I didn't get stressed. It was just everything.
it's chaos,
I've got no
isn't it?
room to put anything.
We like that at Christmas though, don't we? Exactly the same. And Sunday dinner.
I've got some on the table, I've got some on the one side, I've got some on the other side. I can't move.
You're going to block that Christmas. Get your sweat on.
That is gorgeous. The whole lot for the 2 fish. Don't forget I've only done 1. All the 8 sausages, the big bag of potatoes. What else was that? Sausages, potatoes, the batter, the water. I even put in because I was going to do Mayflower curry sauce, but I just ain't had time. And I also had my peas. The whole lot, which you'd probably see serve. God, how many people? I mean, there's 8 sausages in itself, isn't there? There's loads of spuds. You'd probably serve what, 6 people, say? Obviously, you only could, but you could cut the fish in half, I suppose, couldn't you?
Well, you could do if you've got kids and stuff.
Yeah. And the whole lot cost me £10 2p.
Wow.
For the whole lot. I think that's bang on. What did we spend at the chippy? And that was about the fish, weren't it? 20 quid.
20 odd quid. We only had sausage. Didn't we all have sausage each?
Sausages, and I had that kebab last time, didn't I?
Yeah, well, that was worth the money, that was.
Yeah, but apart from that, it's usually about 18, 19 quid, isn't it? Yeah. For the chips and the battered sausage and the curry sauce, isn't it? So £10 2p for the lot. I think that is superb. Chaos, absolute chaos it was. But if you've got a deep fat fryer, you're laughing. You're absolutely laughing. And I think that's as good as the chippy, you know.
Do you know what I was going to say earlier, but you were
I really
in the middle of...
I really think that's as good as the chippy. Oh no, I don't need no fork, it's chippy. Use your hands, man. Want some more chips? I've got loads here.
No, thank you.
Yes. Them sausages are really nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Really nice, them sausages.
Yeah, nice.
And that fish. You don't like fish, do you? Because you could have tried a bit of this.
No, I don't like fish, thank you. Them are better than the chippy. Scallops.
I personally think so as well.
They're more, I don't know, fluffier.
I think so. Wow, there we go anyway. Fakeaway, takeaway Wednesday.
My favourite day.
Nat's favourite day. It was all chaos. I don't know what the video's going to come out like because there was stuff everywhere and it was a nightmare. And that's because I was having to do 2 lots of chips and try and get everything cooked so things stayed warm. Oh, it was a pain. So I'm nearly on 5,000. I bet I'm close now, but it's about 3 or 4 subscribers away last time I looked. Thank you every single one of you. Fakeaway Saturday. Fakeaway Saturday.
Fakeaway Saturday.
What day is it? Wednesday. Fakeaway Wednesday. Told you.
His head's gone now.
It's gone. Fakeaway Wednesday. Thank you very much all. See you later. Bye bye. Gorgeous this is. I'm well happy. You want more, don't you? You want more? That's what you're sitting there for, isn't it?
There's a proper nog.
Oh, some chips. There's loads there, but I'm not going to do it all then.
Yeah, it's alright.
Bye. Final thoughts. I've had every single bit of that. I absolutely love that to pieces. I really did. Let me show you the mess. I've got a piece of fish there. I do all this, clean all the sides. There's my peas. Look, I didn't even have a chance to do them. Stuff over there. Look. Stuff everywhere. Stuff down there on the floor. Look. A nightmare. Absolute nightmare. So, final thoughts. 100%. It was greasy, but it's chippy, innit? That's why I wish I had a proper basket so I could have proper drained it. I didn't want to leave it too long because everything was starting to get cold. But there we go. Fakeaway Wednesday. Keep saying Friday for some reason, or Saturday. Never mind. I'm going to go live Saturday because I'm going to hit 5,000 today probably. So I'm going to do a live stream Saturday. 5,000 live stream. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to do something. There's no video tomorrow. I might see if I can get something quickly sneaked in. We've got some work being done in the house with the boiler and everything for the next 2 days. If I can sneak something in, I will. If I can't, I'll see you all Saturday. See you later. Bye bye.